Hi everyone, in this video I will show you two fast ways to change the cell color in LibreOffice Calc. Method number 1. Toolbar. Select your cells, click the arrow next to the Fill Color button, pick your color. Method number 2. Format cells. Right-click your selected cells. Choose Format Cells, go to the Background tab, select the color and click OK. To restore missing grid lines for printing or PDFs, you have two choices. Click the Borders button in the toolbar or right-click your selected cells again. Choose Format Cells and go to the Borders tab and set the 4 parameters to your liking. Changing colors under Tools, Options, Appearance won't show in printouts. Use the methods above instead. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.